Best indoor plants for bedroom. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am diving into the best indoor plants for bedroom spaces to instantly elevate your decor without the hassle of a watering schedule. If you want to transform your sleep sanctuary into a lush oasis, keep watching. Product number 1. Luce Alberi's 6-foot artificial olive tree. I absolutely love how this 6-foot masterpiece completely changes the dynamic of a bedroom. It brings that highly sought-after Mediterranean charm right into your personal space without asking for a drop of water. The craftsmanship is truly exceptional, featuring a remarkably lifelike single trunk that branches out elegantly with delicate silk leaves and tiny olive fruits. I appreciate that it arrives in a sturdy white pot accompanied by a beautifully textured woven basket, making it ready to display right out of the box. Setting it up takes mere minutes by simply inserting the branches, and you can bend them to achieve the exact shape you desire. It completely eliminates the worry of sunlight exposure or messy soil in your sleeping quarters. For anyone looking to add a substantial, eye-catching statement piece to an empty corner, this tree delivers an instant sense of calm and sophistication. It is a fantastic way to enjoy nature's beauty effortlessly.
Product number 2. Wapefaru 4-piece fake hanging plants. When it comes to adding a cascading touch of greenery to higher spots in a bedroom, I highly recommend this set of 4 gorgeous artificial hanging plants. These vines are crafted with meticulous attention to detail, offering a vibrant gradient of colors that beautifully mimics real eucalyptus and ivy. Each bundle stretches about 30 inches long, providing an incredibly lush and full appearance that drapes perfectly over bookshelves, floating wall ledges, or bedside tables. I find them incredibly versatile because you can bunch them together for a dramatic, thick canopy or spread them out across different areas to tie the whole room together. What makes these truly stand out is the high-quality, fade-resistant material that requires absolutely zero maintenance. You never have to worry about them drying out or shedding leaves onto your floor.
Product number 3. Woline fake hanging plants. For those smaller, awkward spaces that just need a quick pop of life, I always turn to this lovely, artificial potted hanging plant. It comes perfectly nestled in a sleek, minimalist black pot, making it incredibly easy to place on a windowsill, a narrow floating shelf, or right on top of a small dresser. The trailing leaves measure just over 21 inches, which provides a graceful downward flow without overwhelming a compact area. I really appreciate how the vivid green plastic leaves maintain their bright, fresh appearance permanently. You will not have to deal with the stress of remembering a watering routine or finding the perfect lighting angle. The waterproof design means it stays looking pristine, and you can easily wipe away any dust to keep it vibrant. It is the perfect subtle accent piece that breathes visual energy into your bedroom, ensuring you wake up to a refreshing and peaceful aesthetic every single morning. Product number 4. Nearly natural 48-inch artificial Dracaena. If you are searching for a highly realistic and slightly exotic touch, this 48-inch artificial Dracaena is an absolute must-have. I am incredibly impressed by the real touch leaves that feel genuinely authentic to the fingertips, completely setting it apart from standard fake plants. The multi-tonal trunks add an extra layer of depth and realism, beautifully mimicking the natural growth patterns you would find in a real tropical environment. It stands proudly at 4 feet tall, making it an ideal floor piece to place right next to your bed or an armchair. Because it requires absolutely no maintenance, it is the perfect companion for a busy lifestyle. I love that it arrives in a simple, sturdy pot, allowing you to easily slip it into a decorative planter that matches your specific bedroom aesthetic.
Product number 5. Freya Life 28-inch fake plant artificial monstera. To complete your indoor botanical collection, I have to highlight this stunning 28-inch artificial monstera. Known for its iconic wide split leaves, this plant instantly delivers a trendy farmhouse or modern boho vibe to any bedroom setup. I am thoroughly captivated by how full and vibrant it looks, bringing a rich, deep green aesthetic that warms up cold walls and plain furniture. It is the ideal medium-sized decoration to place on a low bench or a corner nightstand. The durability is fantastic, and you never have to fret about keeping the humidity levels right, which is notoriously tricky with real Monstera plants. It stays lush, glossy, and picture-perfect all year round with zero effort on your part. I believe incorporating this striking piece into your sleep space fundamentally changes the atmosphere, turning an ordinary room into a cozy, stylish retreat that makes you feel completely at ease the moment you walk through the door.
Thank you so much for joining me to explore these beautiful, maintenance-free options for your personal space. I hope you found the perfect piece to elevate your daily routine. Please like and subscribe for more content, and have a wonderful day.